Take it nice and slow. Your back end's going to hop up on that rock.
Your dip is on the rock.
Back up just a hair.
And we're just
All right. Just steer down that way just a hair. Go forward. Up. Still not clearing it. You're... There you go. You should clear it now. All right, now turn straight up the hill.